he's just very kind, and he helped me with this guy that was trying to scam me on Instagram. He was trying to just chat with me, but he could tell that his profile was fake, and so he told this guy to stop scamming and get a job. And so at that point I thought, well, maybe this guy is nice. So I noticed he messaged me on Instagram, so I went ahead and I was a little nervous about the Hizbah because I'm not really aware of what they're about, but they were very supportive. They would like me to convert to Islam. My experience in Nigeria?
Yeah.
Well, I've been riding in the tricycle a lot, and that's been kind of fun. The people have been really friendly and welcoming. I went to his family's home and met his family, and then a lot of their friends came over, probably 100, I'm thinking 100 people at least.
Wannan gaskiya gani yake ba komai bane mutum ba ya halitta ma ai yayi haka. Kuma abin da ya halitta kuma yake aikin musulmi. Ba ni da shakka, amma ta wani lokaci zamu ga akwai yan ƙarya shi, amma dai gaskiya haduwa na da ita ni ban ji wani shakka ba haka, saboda na yi soyayya da mata da dama a social media, kuma dai daga ƙarshe dai ba mu ci gaba ba shi, amma ya yi wancan amfani shi.
Well, at that point, I would go back to the U.S. and then we would start the visa immigration process, and it usually takes about 9 to 12 months for that to be completed, and at that point you would move to California.
I will not stop talking until you subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's right, don't walk away.